I swear, y'all, I did not know how to do makeup. Because what was that? Let's recreate that. Priming the eyelid with a little concealer. You guys were like, you make it look so easy. Girl, I was struggling. I'm gonna use the Icee palette by Glamlite. This is a gorgeous palette. Going in with my BK Beauty 203 makeup brush, I'm going to go in and start the transition shade. And you wanna place it right up above that crease. If you have hooded eyes, it's always gonna be right up above that flap. I'm going to take my Sigma E25 blending brush and we're literally just going to blend out that shade. I'm going to take the Real Techniques 063 brush and we're going to tap a deeper shade at the crease. Go back in with that blending brush and we're just going to lightly blend out that crease shade. Now we're going to cut our crease, and when you are cutting your crease, you want to use a lighter concealer or a lighter primer, and I would use a brush that is flat with a slight roundness to the tip. You're going to follow the lines in your eyes if you have it, and we're going to do a smaller cut crease. So now we're going to take that deeper shade and we're going to tap the ends just to taper it off. Now we're going to place a brighter red in the front corner of the eye, and we're going to build this shade up. Your eyeshadow should look something like this. Now we're going to take a little bit of a metallic and we're going to place it right here in the front corner of the eye. I'm going to add liner and lashes and I'll be back with the final look.